Hello, 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 hello. This is my test. I'm trying to understand this settings right now because it is running in a new OS that I installed on my old HP 15 laptop, which is an AMD A6 with 5200 series APU. Yep. I don't know if it is hearing my voice or is it the so-called fan noise that you can hear? Let me minimize that one. Same time, I'm also running the box of no. Okay, so this is my desktop right now. I erase all of my previous uh previous so-called distros. I change it from Big Linux, MX Linux, and Ubuntu Studio. That's the three right now running into my desktop, and I just gave the Big Linux like 150 gigabytes of hard disk ROM. I mean, my hard disk with the ROM like 12 ROM, physical ROM that is, and also I have the so-called my, how do I say this, the swap memory for Linux, the virtual hard disk temporary random access memory ROM. There it is. the the random access memory via my hard disk. It is still temporary. Is it? It's just in a physical hard drive instead of a microchip. Yep, instead of microchip. And I still have like 88.3 out of, oh, I only gave 120 gigabytes. So 25% use, which is I still have 88.3 gigabytes free. Yay! How about my MX? I only gave like 50 gigabytes of hard disk ROM, and it is 22% use with space of 38 gigabytes free. How about my Ubuntu Studio? I got, I think, yeah, the same 50 gigabytes of hard disk drive, and I still have like 35.7 gigabytes of free, which is I only use like about like 27%, and the rest of my hard disk, it's actually it's just an empty space. It's just an empty space. Let me go to my, where did I put it? I think it's in settings. Oh, to go. Nope. Graphics. Nope. I'm looking for my stuff. I think it is here, probably here. Oh, it's also here. Good evening, Ebs. Yeah, this is Blair. Ebs. Let me see. About system. Yeah, info center. Let's go for info center. I still have like I'm running actually at 5.15.65 kernel version of Linux, and Big Linux is based in Manjaro Linux. Can you see this one? I only have like quadro core AMD A6 Athlon 6 with 5200 APU with Radeon HD graphics, which is a little bit like as just my old chip HP computer. And of course, my memory is 12 gig of random access memory, which is actually real uh, a real physical memory ROM. I upgraded it before. It's just only like 4 GB, but I uh, eventually upgraded. No serial show, please. Using the Windows X11 graphic format, my Big Linux. And of course, Big Linux is based in Brazil, the Latin America distro, which is kind of like very light, actually, very light. I haven't had uh, any big issues with this Big Linux. I like the jiggling thing. My money don't jiggle jiggle. It folds. Okay, I'm now singing. Okay, so that's my computer right now. It's just only a follow-up from my after installation. Before a few days ago, I just installed it as from the different distro that I have, but eventually, like, okay, I'll probably start all over again, like wiping it out so that it will be clean without any problems. And this is what I get right now. It is cool. Basically, no problems whatsoever. No serious problems. I got a little bit like issue with the with the graphics. Sometimes it freezes, probably because of my old processor, old laptop thing, but it's okay with me. It's still workable, and it is still good, actually. And it comes with Brave browser, Dolphin file manager, calculator. I think this is KDE calculator. Kate, of course, Kate is here. And speech select text, and of course the simple screen recorder right now. And I have the boxes, just trying to play with it. How do it deal with a large file like this box? And yes, I would also install a MX inside my VirtualBox GNOME. So I have this one and the real set up at my hard disk in this disk, which is, what about the disk that I have? This one. Let me open this one. It is in my, okay, SDA4. I put it on SDA4. I still could, like, you know, erase this one and just go on with my Big Linux. It's kind of cool. Very light. Very light. I don't have any issues with this one. It's very light and I like it. How about time? Oh, oh. I'm just experimenting it. No biggie. It's just big. Change some desktop wallpaper. Of course, I disabled that one. You can choose any desktop wallpaper that you want. I like that way. The BIG Okay, even the robot. The robot. The robot. There is the robot. How about the tree? Oops. The tree. How about this one, the lighthouse? Really cool. I like this one. Uh oh. This one, this one, this one. I like the BIG compared to this one. Yeah, kind of obvious. I like this one. How about this one? Yeah, obvious. Much better. I like that one. Yeah. Center. Oh, wait. I'm clicking apply. Now it's just okay. It's just centered anyways. Crap. Crapped. And scaled. And then we do jiggle pickles. Yeah, I like it. So anyway, that's it for now for our science after my installation of my BIG, the big Linux distro OS. After I wipe the whole thing and start all over again, which is right now. I really like this one. So anyway, that's it for now. This is Blair saying ciao for now and leaving you with this exit. I see you in the next vlog. Peace.